Hello everyone, this is one video. This is no editing. You know, when I record my shorts, I'm all alone, and I'm usually in like random codes, just spam random stuff. But whenever, from now on, whenever I'm going to be doing a video, it's going to be in this code, my fan code. So yeah, if you want to meet me or be in a video, just go in that fan code. I'm not going to be saying, oh, I'm in this fan code. Well, yeah, I'm not going to be doing that. I don't think. It's going to be going in randomly and recording videos. And if you're in this code, I will. If I'm going to ask you, do you want to be in a video? If they say yeah, I'm going to either put you in a short if I need you for it, or a video if like just, oh hi, this is my fan. So yeah, subscribe and you'll be able to meet me. Bye.